Today's featured book is Pete the Cat and the Surprise Teacher. You guys know that I love Pete the Cat, so let's see what happens in the Surprise Teacher. On the title page, we have Pete the Cat and the Surprise Teacher. Pete is ready for school. Where is Mom? Pete asks. She has a surprise for you, says Pete's dad. Let's see if I can make sure you can see the pictures. Pete goes to school. His mom is there. What a surprise! Could you imagine if you got to school and your mom or dad was the one teaching the classroom? Hi, class. I am Mrs. Cat, says Pete's mom. I am the substitute teacher. I will need your help today, said Pete's mom. What do we do first? Have you ever had a substitute? Did you make good choices and tell them what you did in your classroom when your teacher's normally there? Substitutes need lots of help to know what the rules of the classroom are. Different classes have different rules. Art, says Pete. Yay, says the class. The class lines up. Pete's mom leads the line. Is this art? Says Pete's mom. If you look carefully on the door, there's a sign. Art doesn't begin with G. G makes the g, g sound. I think they're at the gym. Boing, boing, goes the ball. This is not art. This is the gym. Stay and play, says the gym teacher. The class plays. Gym is fun with more kids in it, says Pete. Gym is over. Pete's mom takes the class to art. Oh, let's see. That class starts with the sound. Are they at art now? Goodness, no, they're at music. Let's see. La 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 la. This is not art. This is music. Stay and sing, says the art teacher. They have a wonderful school. They're so inviting. Each time that the teacher shows up to the wrong room, they invite them to stay. The class sings. We are louder with more kids, says Pete. Rumble. Pete is hungry. Time for lunch. This is not the lunchroom. This is the playground. Let's have a picnic, says Pete. That is a lovely idea. I love a picnic. Now it's time for art, says Pete's mom, and everyone cheers. Pete leads the class this time. Take a look on the door. Let's see. That begins with an A. Art begins with A. Is this art? Asks Pete's mom. It is. Lots of kids are making art. Oh no, says the teacher. It's too late to join us. The day is almost over. The class goes to their classroom. I know, says Pete. Let's make art here, he says. Okay, says Pete's mom. Sometimes we have to go with the flow, and there's, oops, a change. Pete calls a huddle. Whisper, 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 whisper. The class plans a surprise. Pete draws. Callie makes paper cats. Everyone helps. Thank you, Mrs. Cat, their card says. Surprise! The class made art for Pete's mom. Thank you, Mrs. Cat, says the class. We had a great day with you. Sometimes a different day is an awesome day. The end. What a lovely book. Thanks for sharing.